Even though we might hate to admit it, we've all dreamt of looking like Disney animated characters in real life, at least once. Whether it's the charming guy from Rapunzel or the enchanting Jasmine, we've all been there. Well, get ready, because today, I'm going to share a secret to make that wish come true. With the help of AI, of course. I mean, I ain't no fairy godmother for you, Cinderella, but I can show you some tech magic. You know what's got everyone buzzing? 3D animations. They're not just for kids anymore. I mean, who didn't get a bit choked up watching Toy Story 4? Whether it is your own animation or a celebrity beef animated edit like Kendrick vs. Drake, people are invested.
I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
And this is where things get interesting. Right now, you might think that you need some sort of special skills or expertise to do all this, but behold, I am once again here to rescue you. Ever wondered how cool it would be to see yourself as a 3D animation? Imagine creating a lifelike animated version of you that can move, groove, and shine on the screen. Well, guess what? I have got you covered. Today, folks, I am going to teach you how to create your very own animations with simple and easy steps. To begin this tutorial, I am using the pop icon Taylor Swift as my animation model. Taylor rules the hearts of millions of people since she never goes out of style. Let's just divide this whole journey into steps. So, the first step is to begin creating an animation of the pop star. We need a tool to generate an animated style image, and the best one out there that I am currently using is called Stylar AI. Now, Stylar AI is in beta mode, which means it has most of its features free to use. And personally, I think that it is really a great thing for beginners. Stylar AI gives 200 credits to its users. In simpler terms, you only need 4 credits per video, so for beginner level, I think 200 is pretty sufficient when you don't want to burn a hole in your pocket. They do have a paid version as well if you want to explore more of its tools, but for now, the free version is what we need. With that in mind, let's start building our very own animation. So after signing up, click on the New Project tab. This then loads to a professional workspace where you can name your project. My first step would be to obviously name the beautiful masterpiece that I am going to make and also select the appropriate dimensions from some options that you can choose from. Whether it is YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, you know the drill. Just choose as per your preference. For now, I am going for 1:1. Once you have set up the ratio of the project, let's focus on actually playing with the AI tools to create animations. On the left side of the professional dashboard, you can see that there are 3 ways to begin animation. Now, the text-to-image is a pretty common one, which many other AI tools have also mastered. DALL-E, Midjourney, you name it. So, there is nothing not new about this feature, but the feature that I want to talk about is their image-to-image function. For this, firstly, you would have to click on Import Images and select your desired image from your device. After that, just click on the Image-to-Image feature. You'll see that there is a prompt feature where you describe the content of your image, but Stylar AI provides an autofill prompt feature, which allows AI to assess and describe the image on its own. This description is basically how our animation is going to turn out. Below the prompt, there is the structure option, and I am setting it to 1, which means that I want my animation to look exactly like Taylor, not just any blonde lady with red lipstick. Above the prompt feature, you'll see that there is a style option where you can select a variety of styles to apply to your animation. From retro to Ghibli, you have plenty to explore. For now, I am selecting a 3D illustration called Innocent Cutie, since I want the animated look in the image. Now, it's the right time to click the Stylarize option to get the job done. The tools give us 4 variations of our selected image. If you feel that the images are not as you like, or maybe there is a little room for improvement, just simply edit the prompt and re-stylarize until you get your desired image. Once you have an image to work with, place it on the canvas option. But be careful, because once you select an image and place it on canvas, you lose the rest of the generated images. There are also plenty of ways you can change the image you just animated, and the trick is to basically manipulate the prompt. Want short hair for Taylor? Change the prompt. Want her to have a red dress on? Simply change the prompt. It is that easy. Once you have your desired image, you are ready to export it to another software where we can animate it. One thing that I would recommend is to remove the background of the image so that we can change the background to our liking. You can get the AI tool to make the background on its own with the text-to-image feature, or can import an image from your device and place it as a background of your animated image. Since I want to animate my image, I am going for a green background behind my animated image. I downloaded a green background image from Google, pasted it below my animated image on Canvas, and adjusted it behind the image so I could later edit it while animating. Now it's the right time to export my masterpiece so I can begin animating. On the top right of your dashboard is the Export button. Just select the file type, PNG or JPG, and hit Export. The next step is to make an animated video of the image you just created. To animate, there are plenty of options to choose from, but my trusted one would be DID Studios. So when you first log in, they give 20 credits for free, which is perfect since you are just beginning your animation journey. And to be honest, it is great for testing out how the world of animation works without paying. Once you have logged in, click the Create Video button on the top right corner, and once you do that, you can see that the AI tool provides you plenty of avatar options to choose from for animation. But since we have crafted our own image, we'll select the Add option and import the image from our device into this interface. Once uploaded, we can begin our animation journey. On the right side of the dashboard, you can see two options, one for script and the other for audio. If you don't have audio, no worries, since you can use the script option. Just simply write a few lines of what you want your character to say, and then select the AI-generated voice feature from a bunch of voices below. If you have audio, you can simply upload it using the audio option. It is that easy. Once the audio is set, click the Generate Video button, and you'll see that it takes 1 credit for 1 generation, and now you're left with 19 more, which is good if you are new to animation and stuff. And there you have it, the generated video with your desired audio. I know that there is a watermark, which is a bummer, but this is great for testing out the animation process. Once you feel that, damn, I am getting good at animating stuff, feel free to get the paid version of DID. The last step is to edit the video with any editing software you have. Personally, I would recommend Premiere Pro because it is vast in tools that can help you get that professional look. For now, we will explore the simpler tools of Premiere Pro. We have our animated tailor speaking our desired words.
I love you more than myself, stay with me. Be together.
So next up, we need a perfect background to finish our cute little video. I have already generated a background using DALL-E and placed it on the dashboard. I am going to drag our generated video onto the background and scale it a bit to fit it. Now, I'll drag an effect called Ultra Key onto my project, and what this will do is remove the green background from my image, making the character blend in with the background nicely. So guys, are you ready for it? And by this I mean the final product. I mean, it does have slight imperfections, but you know what they say, practice and paid versions make a man perfect.
I love you more than myself, stay with me. Be together.
To wrap things up, we just created our very own animation of the Taylor Swift from start to finish. Using user-friendly AI tools like Stylar AI, we animated the image with its image-to-image feature. And with DID Studios, we brought our animation to life, making it move and groove just how we like. This process was accessible and fun, perfect for beginners looking to dive into the world of animation. From selecting the right dimensions to styling the image and finally animating it, every step was straightforward and enjoyable. Whether you want to create content for social media or just experiment with animation, this method is a great starting point. So, are you planning to make your animated video? And if so, who is going to be your muse? Let us know in the comments section below. For the latest news and updates on all things AI and tech, subscribe to AI Collegium.